In a world where public health is of utmost importance, a group of dedicated individuals emerges as wellness warriors, committed to leading the charge in public health research. Let's understand why public health research is crucial. In an ever-evolving world, understanding the dynamics of health and disease is fundamental to safeguarding communities. Our world faces an increasing health crisis, with rising rates of diseases, mental health issues, and lifestyle-related problems. The need for innovative solutions is greater than ever. Wellness warriors are a team of dedicated researchers, from diverse backgrounds, united by their passion for public health. They bring a multidisciplinary approach to the table. Their research spans a wide range of focus areas, including nutrition, mental health, physical activity, and environmental health. Each facet contributes to the larger picture of public well-being. They collaborate closely with communities, organizing workshops and outreach programs to better understand local needs and culture. Public health research becomes a two-way street. Advocacy plays a significant role in their mission. The wellness warriors engage with policymakers to influence public health policy decisions that benefit the larger population. Public health researchers identify health disparities that exist in various communities, addressing the gaps in healthcare access and outcomes. Public health researchers are on a mission to improve the overall wellness of individuals. Their studies encompass a wide range of factors, from nutrition and exercise to mental health and disease prevention. Leading the charge in public health research highlights the multifaceted approach needed to tackle public health challenges. Join us in this mission, and together, we can make a healthier world a reality. Despite the hurdles, public health researchers offer hope for a healthier future through their groundbreaking work and innovations. Thank you for embarking on this journey with us. Your commitment to public health makes a difference. Stay well, stay informed, and keep leading the charge.